Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2025 as well as 2026 graduate. So let me talk about all those opportunities one by one. So first opportunity from the Eton, and they are hiring the Innovation Center engineering graduate. Okay, they are hiring engineering graduate and you have to give all these details to apply for this 10th passing year, 10th percentage, 12th percentage, and these all detail. And this hiring is applicable only for BE, BTech and ME, MTech students. Okay, and stream, these are the streams eligible, that is the mechanical, power electronics, electrical electronics, aerospace, computer science. And if you have any other courses, then you are also you can also give this. Okay, means if you have any other stream, then you can give the details here. Next, year of passing BE, BTech, so all 2025 and 2026 are eligible. Okay, and graduation, college, and these all detail you have to fill, and you have to simply click here submit. So this is the important hiring. They regularly hire lots of students for this hiring program. Next important from the Cargil, and they are hiring associate software engineer ERP, that is the enterprise resource planning, and category is digital technology and data, and DT and DT, and this will be your basically requirement. Okay, qualification, so if you have 1 to 4 year of experience, then only you can apply. Okay, so this is a little bit experience based hiring. Coming to next, fresher based hiring, that is from the Zorvyn, and salary package for this is up to 14 LPA. So everyone should apply for this, and job type is internship and strong chance of conversion into PPO. Okay, work mode is remote, duration is 6 months. Okay, and during the internship compensation is 40,000, and post internship there will be chances of conversion to PPO, and salary is 14 LPA. These are the responsibilities. You will assist in building APIs, collaborate with senior developer, write clean and maintainable, well documented code, and these all things. Requirement is knowledge of programming fundamental and data structure. You should be proficient in at least one language, either C, C++, or Java, and familiarity with Git or any version, and prior project management is a plus point. Okay, and you can see this is the salary package. Pro performance link pre-placement offer of up to 14 LPA annually. Okay, and monthly stipend is 40,000 during the internship. So this is the greatest opportunity. Everyone should apply for Zorvyn Fintech. This one the good company. And for getting any important job update, you can subscribe us. I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. Okay, currently PwC, Tech Mahindra are hiring, so you can apply for all those hiring. Coming to our next important hiring, that is from the Redblink. So they are hiring Java developer and Monstack developer. So if you have work on want to work on real world project, then you can basically share your resume to this mail ID. Okay, and work location is hybrid, that is Mohali. Okay, coming to last important hiring, this is from the L&T, and they are hiring MTech off campus hiring 2025, and last date is 20th of Jan. So all engineering graduates are eligible, and total compensation CTC 6.33, and initially you will get 5.50, and these are the bonus and all things. Job description, they haven't added more detail, but if you are from the MTech background, then you should apply. This is on the greatest hiring, and if you want this kind of salary package, then you should apply for this too. And regarding the MBA hiring, so I have already made the detailed video related to TCS MBA hiring, so make sure to apply for that hiring. Okay, and registration end date is 11 Feb. So go through our video. If you still have any query, feel free to ask your comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.